Today we are on our winter seasonal walk.
We've found some bones and Jay's going to collect them for me. It looks like a fox skull.
Must be turnip season. We'll have it at that abandoned quarry.
Yeah, I reckon so. Nice place to sit there, isn't it?
Yeah. Ooh, shit! We have made it to the canal.
Chesterfield Canal, this is.
I love a canal walk, do you?
I do, yeah.
They're just so peaceful. Cheers.
Cheers.
All right, mate, you come sit down.